Brahma asked Manu that would you like to be the king of earth? Manu refused. He said, no, I will not take this responsibility. Brahma asked this again. Manu said that I am ready to accept this responsibility provided people of earth accept. So see how the democratic traditions originated with the civilization that the great Indus Valley civilization and all. That constitution, which is not only a legal technical document, but also as we have just seen the preamble of the constitution, how it is an instrument that guarantees political, not only the political justice, but also the socio-economic justice to all those living in India. So this is something that speaks of the achievement of the Indian.
Today, I find all of you sitting other side of the dais. And if you just hold your brain and start working, hard work, with some intelligence, skill, and the day is not that far where you will be this side of the dais. I was not a bright, intelligent student, but I only believed in hard work. And to say, I'm not frightening you, this is the time for you to just enjoy your college days. You know you have to study this law 3 years or 5 years accordingly, and you know your college timings, you know your friends, you know your books. So when you know everything, so why you have to be intense or panic or anything? Just enjoy. Enjoy your student life, because thereafter you will not get this. If you start working as a lawyer from morning 8 a.m. and if you want to go back home even at 11 or 12, the working hours are not sufficient. I did this. After 8 o'clock, my family, they never used to see me at home. And by the time I am back in the night, 12 o'clock plus, I used to find them sleeping. So a young lawyer has to work like this. That is why I am saying, you students, this is the only time where you can really enjoy.